The James Webb Telescope finally found it 7 trillion miles away and has recently uncovered something astonishing: distant glows that bear a striking resemblance to city lights on Earth. These lights are emanating from Proxima Centauri b, a planet 7 trillion miles away. Could these be actual signals from an alien civilization? What if we're on the brink of the most groundbreaking discovery in human history? Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the hidden secrets of Proxima Centauri b through the lens of our state-of-the-art observatory, exposing the secrets of alien lights. As the telescope searched the vastness of space, it found these unusual lights on Proxima Centauri b, which is far away from our own solar system. The lights resemble what we see when looking at cities on Earth at night, leading to a thrilling idea: maybe there's an alien city on this distant planet. This possibility has made scientists extremely excited, as it could be the breakthrough they've been waiting for. It makes us wonder if there are intelligent beings out there, possibly living in ways we haven't even thought of, and the first clues of their existence might be in front of us now. As the data came in, a scientist noticed lights blinking at odd times. Was it a message or just random? The team debated, with every flicker raising more questions. Meanwhile, a mission to investigate is at risk due to technical problems, leaving everyone anxious. The world waits, wondering if we're about to discover we're not alone in the universe. Finding these lights from such an enormous distance has amazed NASA engineers. It makes them wonder how long these lights have been shining unnoticed until our technology finally got advanced enough to detect them. David Kipping, an astronomer at Columbia University, has commented on the complexity of this planet. Unlike most rocky planets, which absorb sunlight and give off heat, Proxima Centauri b seems to behave differently because of its unique relationship with its star Proxima Centauri. But here's the interesting part: this discovery isn't just about seeing lights in space, it also shows just how important the James Webb Space Telescope is in helping us understand the universe. Not only does it hint at the possibility of life beyond Earth, but it also encourages us to think about what life on other planets might be like. Could there be societies out there that function in completely different ways? The telescope is really good at capturing infrared light, which was key in discovering the unique heat patterns on Proxima b. This find is important because it helps scientists understand the planet's atmosphere. Now researchers plan to use it even more to dig deeper into its atmosphere and see if it could support life. It is especially known for its ability to detect infrared light, which makes it great at observing Proxima Centauri b during its night cycles. While other telescopes struggle to see faint light in space, this one can pick up even the tiniest glimmers, making it the perfect tool to confirm whether there could be artificial lights on the dark side of the planet. The telescope is designed to detect artificial lights in space within a very specific range of frequencies, which are much narrower than those of regular starlight. The planet has an interesting relationship with its star. On the side facing the star, solar panels might capture a lot of energy, and the light bouncing off these panels is also something scientists pay attention to. As it orbits its star, it goes through cycles of day and night, much like Earth. The days are extremely hot, while the nights are much cooler. But this isn't the worst part: the temperature changes are extreme because it might not have an atmosphere. Without an atmosphere, there's nothing to trap heat during the night, causing the temperature to drop drastically after the scorching day. These wild temperature swings have caught the attention of astronomers because they could give clues about whether it has an atmosphere. The telescope, with its advanced infrared imaging, is perfect for studying the heat coming from the planet, giving us key data about its atmosphere. Even more fascinating, the telescope's orbit around Earth lines up perfectly with its own orbit, meaning it can get a close look at the planet's day and night cycles every 11.2 Earth days. If it has an atmosphere, the next step would be to study what's in it and see if it could support life. Markers like oxygen, water vapor, and methane would be big hints that life could exist there. If these are found, it would strongly suggest that it might have conditions that could sustain life. But capturing and analyzing light from the planet's atmosphere is no easy task. It is up for it, though. Its main job is to measure things like water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane. Still, this data is critical for understanding its atmosphere. It is still hard at work searching the skies, even though it has a hard time finding bonded oxygen, which is an important clue in the search for life. However, it keeps a close eye on other important elements like ozone, which can tell us a lot about whether a planet has a strong atmosphere. As scientists go through the data from this telescope, their excitement about uncovering the secrets of faraway planets grows. Each piece of information brings us a little closer to answering one of the biggest questions of all: is Earth the only place in the universe with life? Right now it can only observe a handful of planets that are relatively close to us. To take a deeper look at these distant planets, attention is turning to other advanced tools like the Extremely Large Telescope (ELT), which is expected to begin operations by the year 2028. This new telescope will offer a much more detailed look at these planets, helping scientists understand whether they could support life. Even though it is doing incredible work, the data it provides is shaping the way we think about the universe. The information we are getting today will not only change our view of the cosmos, but will also help shape the future of space exploration. Future space telescopes are being designed to block out the bright light from distant stars, similar to how we use our hand to block the sun so we can see better. This will help scientists get a clearer view of the faint reflections from planets and examine their atmospheres to see if they might support life. But it's not easy to tell if gases in a planet's atmosphere are from living things or from natural processes like volcanic eruptions. With a stage set by these intriguing findings, we now turn our attention to how these discoveries shape our next steps into the cosmic unknown. The role of James Webb in finding life beyond Earth is critical, and scientists are working hard to improve their methods of telling the difference between these signals, which will make it easier to find real signs of life. This search is not just about finding life, though; it's also about learning more about these distant worlds. Right now, the James Webb Space Telescope is giving us early glimpses of what future space explorations might uncover. Every discovery pushes the boundaries of what we know and helps us better understand our place in the universe. For as long as humans have been around, we've wondered if we are alone in the universe. Today, this telescope is out there searching different parts of the sky, looking for signs of life beyond Earth. The idea that life could exist elsewhere in the universe is becoming more accepted, and scientists are working hard to prove it. In 1984, two American astronomers, Jill Tarter and Thomas Pearson, started the search for extraterrestrial intelligence SETI. They set up a non-profit group to look for radio signals from space using the Allen Telescope Array's 42 dishes in California's mountains. These signals can travel great distances with little interference, making them a key tool in the search for life. For over 30 years, SETI has been listening for signals from alien civilizations without picking up anything clear. But despite this, Jill Tarter remains hopeful. She believes that with today's advanced technology, we are closer than ever to making a big discovery. Tarter hopes that this mission will become a global effort, bringing people together in the shared goal of finding life beyond Earth. Recently, the scientific community got excited about a new report from NASA that hinted this telescope might have captured something as remarkable as city lights on a faraway planet. Positioned 1 million miles from Earth, it lets us explore the mysteries of the universe like never before, revealing details that were once out of reach. This telescope is designed to find things we couldn't see before. It helps scientists understand how galaxies, stars, and planets are formed. Using its high-tech camera and special filters, astronomers can now study the colors around distant celestial bodies more closely. These tools help them learn about the physical and chemical makeup of planets and stars by examining different wavelengths of light. But it doesn't just look, it also examines the atmospheres of other planets for signs of life. With its unmatched ability to study the depths of space and time, the telescope has made groundbreaking discoveries. One of the most surprising finds is that the universe contains much more mass in large galaxies than scientists originally thought. This has forced them to rethink their ideas about how the universe began and how it continues to expand. Each new discovery from the telescope deepens our interest in alien worlds and helps us better understand the potential for life beyond our own planet. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, it gives us new insights into distant worlds. But here's the interesting part: while we're learning more, we're also raising bigger questions. About 20 years ago, the space beyond our own solar system was mostly unknown. We had very little information about the planets orbiting other stars. Fast forward to today, and astronomers have found over 4,000 exoplanets. This shows just how far we've come in both our curiosity and technology. NASA, a leader in space exploration, believes this is only the beginning. They think our galaxy alone could have trillions of planets, each holding its own mysteries. The drive to explore space and find out what's out there hasn't stopped. Scientists continue searching for any sign of life beyond Earth, and sometimes they get Surprises like the city-like lights on Proxima b. With new discoveries coming in from the James Webb Telescope, more people are paying attention to the idea that alien civilizations might exist.